In this video, I will show you how to delete your Valorant account permanently. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser. And what you then want to do is come across to google.com. From Google, in the search box, you want to type the following, which is just Valorant login, and then hit enter. And then you're going to click the top option which comes up, which is this account.riotgames.com. So you want to click onto the sign in and then just go ahead and sign into your account. So once you've signed into your account, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is just come over to this menu on the left hand side and you want to come down and click onto communication preferences. Next, what you want to do is at the bottom, you're going to see the little support button. So you just want to go ahead and give that a click. And then from here, you're just going to want to choose Valorant. So you can see some different games, but you want to choose Valorant. And what you want to do, I'm just going to get rid of these messages that are coming up. And if you go to the search box here, in here, you just want to type delete account. It's going to come up with a suggested result. So you can click onto this one, deleting your right account and all your data. What's going to happen, you're going to be directed to a page like this. Now, from here, this is where you can come to actually delete your account. So it says, are you looking to delete your Riot account? Or maybe you're looking to delete your data on League of Legends, Teamfight Tactics, Legends of Runeterra, Valorant, or any of the other titles owned by Riot Games. So there's actually a self-service option available as noted here. So all you need to do is literally log in below, prove ownership of your account, and you can queue your account for deletion. Now, just a quick note, there is a 30-day grace period. So what this means is once you've completed this process and you submitted your account for deletion, you do have 30 days if you do change your mind. In which case you would just let them know that you no longer want to delete your account and it will still be active. However, if you don't notify them within that 30-day period, of course your account will go ahead and be fully deleted. At this point, of course, your account will not be recoverable. So all you want to do is click the red login button down here. Once that's done, you can see it's just loading through now, so it's just recognising the account and it's going to ask you some questions. So are you the original creator of this account? You just want to go ahead and click yes, and then click the red start deletion process button. Finally, what you need to do is just click the red confirm start deletion process button that comes up, and this is going to go ahead and start and put your account in a queue to be deleted. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.